Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You've prepared the essentials: updated app and permissions. First, unlock your Android and go straight to the home screen or app drawer. Don't wander through settings. Tap the multicolored photos icon. This launches the app. If this is your first open, allow storage and camera access so photos load. Also permit location if you want automatic sorting by place. Once done, the app will sync recent images. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi if you prefer not to use mobile data. Now you'll sign in and connect your library. Tap your profile avatar to pick or add the Google account you want. This ensures the correct cloud library appears. Enable backup and sync so photos upload automatically. Select original quality for full resolution or storage saver to save space. While syncing, watch the status at the top. It shows remaining items and whether uploads are restricted to Wi-Fi. If sync stalls, force close and reopen the app. Then check settings again. Finally, learn to find and manage your images. You search for people, places, or objects. Tap Library to browse albums and folders. Open a photo to swipe through, edit, favorite, or share. Use the three-dot menu for file details. If photos aren't showing, first check backup and sync and account selection. Then clear the app cache in settings, restart the phone, and reopen photos. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in, because account reauthentication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.